Nothing ventured, nothing gained, nothing changes, nothing stays the same. So you go your way and I go mine. Maybe one day we will find what we need in life. Oh, what we need in life. From your cigarette fall to the ground, and I think this fire will die down. I think I now see what is happening in between us, and I have to say goodbye, because nothing ventured, nothing gained, nothing changes, nothing stays the same. So you go your way and I go mine. Maybe one day we will find what we need in life. What we need in life. And our life is one big road trip now, and we set the cruise control and make our way down the expressway. And most of the time we're moving in a straight line, and the scenery blurs. There's nothing to see. But I know what's inside of you, and I know what you're made of. There's no such thing as a calm with you. You are a fantastic car crash. You stop traffic in both directions while the gapers gawk and the delay grows as everyone slows down to stare. It's a spectacular explosion. I try to duck and cover as metal flies through the air. And every time you leave the scene of the accident, I'm left picking up the shards of glass from the windows. You know, the glass breaks into just tiny little pieces. They look like ice. It takes so long to pick up the pieces, and even though I'm careful, I'm still picking up the pieces, and I'm still on my knees. Well, the blood from my hands drips down to the street. Think of it as my contribution to this fantastic car crash that is you and me and us. As I wipe the blood from my hands and wave my hand to the line of traffic. Go on. Keep driving. This happens all the time. There's nothing to see here. I can't stay bitter and lonely and restless anymore. And I can't stay with you. I see the red in your eyes and it scares me half to death. And I'll take this road alone, because nothing ventured, nothing gained, nothing changes, nothing stays the same. So you go your way and I go mine. Maybe one day we will find what we need in life.
We're going to be talking about it in the next one, so you can...
What we need in life.
Okay, so that'll be probably... Okay, very good. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.